Got a 1.5 inch check valve. Water comes down the water ram, pushes up through. Got a threaded rod with a float on it. When the water comes up, fills all these holes, and it's flowing more than they can handle. It then lifts the float, and it seals off the check valve, and that forces the water through this check valve into this chamber, and then that chamber is holding about 35 psi. That means we're probably about 60 feet of elevation back up this black pipe here. And so this little spring here is to set the frequency, so I can turn this up or down, and you want about a 1 second cycle frequency. Without that on there, it was running about a half a second. It was running too quick and it wasn't getting enough momentum. So here's the water ram pipe. And the black pipe goes up. We'll see that in just a little bit. To where we use the water ram pipe. Comes from this chamber right here. I was getting a little air out of the spring, so I just put an open pipe here, bringing the spring water in here, and then it goes out the ram pipe there, and that allows the water to separate from the air and make sure to not get any air into the system. So the spring, my dad found a spring up here leaching out the side of the hill, so I dug back at the backhoe, found the vein back here, put a baffle and header here, sealed it up, and sealed it off with clay. So that's where the water comes from. Alright, where does it go? We need to get water up to the pavilion and shed up there. There's the black pipe. Follow it up. Okay, it comes up to the top of the hill here. Keeps going. Okay, there's the shed. And there's the pavilion where we need the water. I gotta finish putting my road in. I gotta walk the last little bit here to the highest place I could find on the property, which is up here on the top of the hill, overlooking the lake. So I started this about 2 hours ago. It's a 275 gallon tote. So we're running about 100 gallons an hour. Flowing in. About 100 gallons an hour. So there you have it. Here's where it comes out now. Out of the tank. And goes down to the pavilion. So there's the application of a water ram.